Hello and welcome to another episode of today's GK. Let's begin with the practice question. Which of the following is not the member of the partners in the Blue Pacific Initiative? The correct answer is South Korea. D is the correct answer here. Recently, the US and its allies Australia, New Zealand, Japan and UK have launched PBP initiative. The main aim is to boost diplomatic economic ties in the region. The initiative members have also declared that they will elevate Pacific regionalism and forge stronger ties with the Pacific Island Forum. Moving on, CAPSTONE mission recently launched by NASA is A. The correct answer is Moon mission. NASA's return to Moon begins with successful CAPSTONE launch. The mission has been successfully launched on Rocket Lab's Electron. If the software of CAPSTONE mission becomes viable, future space missions could perform without support from the ground. This would allow Earth-based antennae to prioritize important science data over routine operational tracking. Recently, payroll automation for disbursement of monthly allowances and automated pay and allowance module has been launched for the Indian Coast Guard is the correct answer. Recently, PADMA, the centralized space system for Indian Coast Guard, has been launched. It will provide seamless and timely disbursal of pay and allowances to around 15,000 Indian Coast Guard personnel. The module has been developed under the aegis of Defense Accounts Department, and launch of PADMA will also strengthen the Digital India concept. It's an Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative as the entire module has been designed and developed by Indian entrepreneurs. Who of the following is credited as the founder of Bengaluru? The correct answer is Nadaprabhu Campegowda. A bronze statue of Nadaprabhu Campegowda will be unveiled soon at the Campegowda International Airport, Bengaluru. He is credited to be the founder of Bengaluru. He was a chieftain of the Vijayanagar Empire in 16th century. He is also known to have developed around 1,000 lakes in the city to cater to the drinking and agricultural needs. Recently, the term hermit was in the news. It refers to a spyware. Hermit, a sophisticated spyware, is believed to have targeted iPhone and Android devices in Italy and Kazakhstan. It has been developed by an Italian vendor called RCS Lab. Once Hermit has been deployed to a phone, it can control and track data from all key applications. With reference to the GST Council, consider the following statements. It was set up by the President as per Article 279A Clause 1 of the Constitution. Finance Minister of the states are the de facto members of the Council. Both are correct. C is the correct answer. First is correct. A is the correct answer. The 47th meeting of the GST Council began in Chandigarh recently. The GST Council was set up by the President as per the Article 279A Clause 1 of the amended Constitution. The members of the Council include Union Finance Minister as the chairperson, Union Minister of State Finance from the centre. Each state can nominate a minister in charge of finance or taxation or any other minister as a member. Consider the following statements regarding the Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance Scheme. It will be launched with an outlay of Rs 600 crore, deploy Industry 3.0 to make MSMEs competitive. Both are not correct. D is the correct answer. Prime Minister of India will participate in the Udyami Bharat program at Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi on 30th June 2022. During the event, he will launch the RAM scheme. RAM scheme will be launched with an outlay of around Rs 6,000 crore. It will complement the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan by fostering innovation, incubating new business. It will also deploy technological tools and Industry 4.0 to make MSMEs competitive. The Colombo Security Conclave training program was organized in. The correct answer is New Delhi. Recently, the Colombo Security Conclave training program on investigation of terrorism-related cases was organized in New Delhi, and it was organized by the National Investigation Agency in collaboration with National Security Council Secretariat. Participants from India, Maldives, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Seychelles participated in the program. Going online as leaders program is a joint initiative of the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, and the correct answer here is META. Recently, the second phase of the GOAL program was launched. It is a joint initiative by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and META. It aims to digitally upskill 10 lakh youth by promoting entrepreneurship amongst tribal communities and opening up opportunities for them using digital technology. Rim of the Pacific exercise 2022 will be held in. The correct answer is USA. Recently, INS Satpura entered Pearl Harbor in Hawaii Islands to participate in RIMPAC 22. It is the US Navy-led biennial naval exercise. INS Satpura is an indigenously designed and built 6,000-ton guided missile stealth frigate equipped to seek and destroy adversary in air, surface, and underwater. The Living Lands Charter is associated with, the correct answer is Commonwealth nations. B is the correct answer here. Recently, all 54 Commonwealth members adopted Living Lands Charter for future generation. The non-binding charter mandates that member countries will safeguard global land resources and arrest land degradation, aiming to support member countries to effectively deliver their commitments under the three Rio Conventions: UN Convention on Biological Diversity, UN Convention to Combat Desertification, UN Framework Convention on Climate Change. NATO Summit of 2022 will be held in Brussels, Paris, New York, or Madrid. This is our practice question for the next segment. Thank you so much for watching.